This my light need to be adjusted. Good evening, everyone. That is actually okay. What I'll do then, I'll just reduce it. Let me allow you to hit them. Oops. Sorry guys, I'm trying to adjust the light. Yeah, I think it's better like this. I love the ambience. The ambience is great. Yeah. No, see you. How can you ask whether I'm gay? I'm not gay, man. How can you say I'm gay? Do I look like gay? I'm not gay, okay? Okay, you want me to wear something, right? Yeah. Hello. Um, Jacob Kojop. How can you look at somebody and you can call the person is gay? You don't look like gay. Come on, man, stop it. Pronounce, bro. Pronounce, how are you? Where are you streaming from? Where are you watching from? Thank you guys for joining. Good evening, everyone. When you are streaming like this, you see people who come and be saying rubbish. England, alright. So how is England today? If you are gay, say you are gay, but me, I'm not gay, and I will never be gay. And nobody in my family will be gay. So if you are gay, say you are gay. That's your business. I don't really care if you're gay, that's your business. But me, I'm not gay, alright? How is England today? Hello, babe. How far? You know, what's up? What's up? So, tell me. Oh, so. Who subscribe that? After that, don't invite him. Okay. So, who you return the day with watching the whole? How far now? How's it going? Hey, somebody hand do it, do you go? I don't need 100 tuma. You want to use. No, we are only 2 kilo. When you only 2 you do. Kaji healing people want to move. So, what should I tell you? And that time we have the whole two power exam, we over on that. No, I don't know when you're the whole two. Then you did go one two. That's what I was doing. Ah, man, look at the woman young morale. But I so, that's what happened. So, since you know, huge. So, watching me on the air with a should I have a all the way Not only that woman do her yeah. Okay, yes, I know wait to me here. I don't know what I can't yama. Wait. Eh? You don't decide to talk like huh? Oh my god, you really hear me? What kind of young man who decide all of an so what's a down to do that? Hello? Oh my gosh, you know, young. Eh? Hey, you're also like Torah do I in that company. So you might charge me. You might charge me. So I never know yeah. Like a whole up on somewhere. Be a neighbor chicken. Chicken keep burger. Chicken that. Here by that's really the give out. Silver bed. Silver bed. Hello? Sleeping baby. Alright, good night. I love you. Yes, hello. Sorry, I was on call. You know, sometimes when you stream, a lot of people come here and say so many things, so many rubbish on you because you're streaming. But it's okay. It's one of those things. It's one of the face. How can you look at somebody and then start calling the person gay? Are you gay? And start writing some rubbish things. Come on. This well. Jacob. So how you doing? How is London today? Is everything good? You're welcome to my live stream. All right. Is it your first time here? If it is your first time, you let me know so that I'll welcome you. Like, I'm good. Is it your first time on my live stream? What it's like. Well, you're welcome. I welcome you on my live stream, and I'm an upcoming film producer. If you go to my page, you see some of the films that I've dropped on this YouTube channel. And anytime I'm coming live streaming, and it's all about me, like my lifestyle, you know. Right now I travel, I'm not in my house. This is a hotel. Yeah, where I'm staying right now is a hotel. So this is a small room. Look at it. In London, you can see this one is paid for 7. Well, if you check the exchange rate, you can see this room is for 7 or 8 pounds or 10 pounds per night. So this is where I'm staying, and I'm doing a project here, and I'm about to complete my short film. You know, I shot 3 short films, and we're editing the other one currently. So, what? I will tell my whole school to watch you. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I love telling African stories, and I love African story. You know, that's what I love doing. And if you watch my movies, I just have a three short film on my channel, and I'm still working on 3. So your school friend, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And that of the one I'm doing currently, and there are 3 in number. So but they're short films, because we want to produce a long film. You have to spend a lot, so some things you just do. Like I said to you, thank you for the like. I am upcoming film maker, film producer. Yeah, so that's what I do. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for coming. Can you pronounce? Okay, can you pronounce Danoje? Danoje? What's that? Can you pronounce that? Alright, thank you very much. And we'll connect sometimes. And I hope to see your friends. Let them, if they come to my channel, if they comment on my video, let them comment that they are coming from you. Alright, I appreciate you. Can you pronounce Danoje? Danoje, Danoje, Bura, Danoje, Buzerat. It means Dan's birthday in Sleepwick. It means a lot for me. Alright. Alright, thank you. Watch me tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's Jacob from the UK. You're welcome to my live stream. Let us know where you're watching me from, and I'll greet you and you greet me too. Greeting section. You greet me. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for passing by to spend a little time here on my channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And if you're a YouTuber, you tell me I subscribe to your channel to watch your content. Thank you very much. Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. How are you doing today? I'm happy to have you here this evening. Where are you streaming from? You're welcome. Jacob, you're back. You're back. I thought you wanted to do something. You're welcome back. So, are you from the UK or you live in UK? Are you from the UK or you live in UK? Which one of them? You know, what you need to do sometimes when you're doing something, people come and then try to provoke you to make you say things that you don't want to say. But there's something they call self-control. So all of us need to have self-control. Yeah. No matter how people try to push us to the wall, then we'll dodge it. We dodge it. We dodge it. In Nigeria, we said, I jump and pass. So when they do that, you just jump and pass. You avoid it. And it's better. You know, every person that is here watching me anywhere around the world, I'm happy. And there's one thing I need to say. When you come to my channel, I know you will enjoy while you're here, right? And there are so many streamers here on this platform, and everybody's doing his own thing, and everybody choose what to watch and when to watch. And a lot of people come and do things they want to do. But let's keep doing this. Yeah, sometimes we need to just encourage ourselves and just keep moving. And when you don't encourage yourself and then try to meditate on what people say or how people treat you, it makes you go down. Yeah. And you see this live streaming and content creation, I so much prepared for this, right? Not like I have big equipment that I'm using. Sometimes I use my phone, sometimes I use my camera to stream, and I don't know what happened, but just that the camera refused to cooperate with my original baking. The camera refused to cooperate with my laptop. I don't know what happened, but all the same, I'm still here trying to do it. And you see, Africa 3 is powerful, lovely, and original baking. I so much enjoy this Pocket 3. It's a good stuff. It's a beautiful stuff. And you know, when I am with Emmons and just see what will happen. Yeah, it's on. Can you see? Yeah, so good evening or good evening. Baba Yozua. Baba Yozua Pananay. Sonia Fanning. Baba Yozua Karina.
Opandinina.
Pandisheme toyo. Pretty diva.
Okay, Colorado.
What pada?
Kwaiga.
Alright.
See what's on.
So, I'm going to find it right now. Thank you.
Kwairunga. Mbamba.
So, we're here now, Fanny.
Twin brother.
Twin brother. Talk about Fanny. Boss him so. Talk to me, Karen.
Yeah.
Don't Karen, man. Baba Yozua.
My boss.
Baba Yozua, no?
Sir, like it, those.
So, what's on? What's the
Who is on the? So now,
Uncle Marvin, what's this channel about? This channel is all about lifestyle and entertainment. So,
yes.
Lifestyle is part of when I'm streaming, that's the lifestyle I do. And entertainment, upcoming producer, that's when you go to the channel, you see movies and stuff like that. So, that is what this channel is for. Uncle Marvelous, thank you for asking. So, when I saw the mention and request, this is how we share. You're welcome.
Baba Yozua bolu mushung yanga.
Sorry, Sonia.
Unenge hemu Baba Yozua. Okay.
Sunday ni na.
Kuelekea upande nina.
Pada bang.
Saje kwa moyo.
No. Jine uoga.
We nyama kono we.
Eje.
Ikunde baba biega.
Oh eh.
Ikunde baba biega. Mbaya. Ikunde baba biega.
Kuna baba biega na yao. Kuna baba biega bi yao na ya.
Mashe ta wo pa noga.
Yeah, sorry.
Wo bogo shino wo makudi.
Moko kwa mabodi ya magana mimi moko.
Ewe makudi gado we.
Ai. Cause living when you mo two cost you know.
That's what we should make back.
No, na mai mo ho na.
I woke up on me who